Set up 9-night pass and everything was to make a step on the men's figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Creambath back again with another reaction video. Today we'll react to Offset feat Cardi B, Clout. Well, in 2019 we all know what clout means, you see me? Everybody want the clout. Everybody love the clout. You see me? But we find it weird that like people are talking about you're doing for clout, you're doing for clout. Dude, if you try to do a business and you try to promote something, who be the about clout? Who be the about, as long as they do the thing the right way and the legal way and everything, no one don't care about clout, bro. Some of them know what people are talking about clout, this clout, that. But anyway, I'll check out this and see what I go on feed, you see me? So like, share, comment and subscribe, click that bell. If you don't want to give me some clout, click the bell, you see me? And share the video so make more people can see it and welcome them to the family, you see me? Yeah, just like that. So begin now.
That was on fleek. Bitch ain't talking about heat. Put it on. Straight up.
Claro. Man look like a Baphomet with the hand.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Niggas talk crazy on
Oh, I'm out here.
I don't want it cause I come to defeat. I don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds.
Dude, the man say weirdo, but look at the man out here. The man out here this big old jeans. Probably cost a fortune though, but the jeans are look kind of weird still, isn't it?
No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for.
I like the yellow background. I like the yellow background, you see me? And then I interview with the black, the yellow and the black. It's like a theme going. I want the black plus the yellow, and plus you see the, sometimes you see the black girl and then you see the girl in the yellow. So I like the I like that simple concept there, you see me?
Do anything for clout.
Do anything for clout.
They do anything for clout. Do
Do anything for clout.
Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your ass, QK. Yeah. No disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Swapping that cars with my bitch. I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the Wraith. Swap it. Practice make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never. I see the out of the snake. I take the soul out of the snake.
Yo, I don't think I really can't get the word. The pants that trip me out, bro. The pants of the man are weird, bro. The pants are so awkward, bro. Honestly,
the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gonna bite on the bait. Sipping no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this great. On the low, mask on the face. Case. Brunch this that we in shape. If I go bro, she gon' leave, escape. She gone. I put 2 million in just in case. Don't go my way. No cap. My kids gotta have money, not just me. It's selfish. Oh, I take the crown off.
Yeah, for real. I leave him talk about them kids, you see me, yo? Kids have to have money. You have to put on money for your kids, you see me? I'm saying put on 2 in the safe just in case. 2 mil. Dude, may I put more in the safe, dude, but 2 mil. I know 2 mil enough still enough. So probably have in money in some Chase account and them have 2 mil separate. So yeah, that's kind of alright. If I say my top, boy, you see me?
King like Mike did Elvis. Ooh, the world is wild. He dying, no lie, that don't help him. Ooh, your bitch wanna eat up the drip and you cannot help it. Straight up the street to Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, niggas talk crazy.
Whoa! Cardi? That's fat ass.
I don't want it cause I come to defeat. I don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds.
We never ready for that one there a while ago. You can't shot me when we see her, you see me?
They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
I know it's funny still. You have to wonder if them do thing for clout, you know. You know what I mean? Even though they must sing about it, I feel say them still celebrity, even though them big and everything, them still do thing for clout. Clout, as I say, clout is a thing where it's like promotion. You see me? If them have a new song come out, them never promote it, not something like clout, nothing like that. I don't know. If me wrong, let me know if me wrong.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mom still say what he wants to. Pussy still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Bitches even wanna start fake beef. Just get a little weave in the mix.
I not tell you, I like that suit, yeah. Are them on them there? 14, she mad. I like that suit. That suit look good. I like that suit, you see me? I know I can't see the rest of it, but top part look good.
I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice the law. So for being tame, the brother be
Yo, I've said supposed to go crazy and that, you know. Did give her a try to
They
say,
wanna be
did
down,
go
soon
crazy.
as these bitches got something to sell. They say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. If us you, I'll hate me, bitch. Free my problems, like suck my dick. All that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. Bitches is mad, bitches is trash. Ask her the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ooh, ouch. So when they see me, what they gonna do? Bitch, not from the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. They do anything
Do anything for clout.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Alright, that's the end of the reaction video for Cardi B and Offset Clout. Honest to God, that song is like, alright, let me tell you, this was like, no, like, mind-blowing song. It's simple. You see me? The most thing about it, I say the visual look kinda nice and Cardi B looking sexy, you see me? But otherwise, song simple, you see me? Because the only thing I say I'm doing anything for Clout or them something. See, a simple thing that they, but what I say still, Clout. Clout is like, what me know my own definition. To me, Clout is someone who need exposure, right? But me feel say it mean like what you do for get exposure. If you're desperate for get exposure, I feel that so it go the Clout name get negative. You see me? Me feel say if you do the right thing for get Clout, I don't think it that bad as doing something negative to get Clout. So me I put it in my perspective, you see me? Cause I don't know how foreign people use it, like American and Canadian and foreign countries use it, but in my own perspective, that's how I see it, you see me? But very nice visual in the video, like the concept say, anytime them a show the yellow background, you see me in black suit, anytime them show the black background, you see them in them yellow suit, you see me? So it's kind of unique now way. Not really unique still, but kind of nice, you see me? But anyway guys, that's the end of the reaction video. Please share this video all over, make it go, not really viral, but make it, put some clout on it, you see me? And everything, peace out.
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.